Okay, hello guys, my name is Olympiutuns and today I'm your host here. Today we'll talk about the US inflation because later in 8-9 minutes the US is to release its consumer price index, the core CPI, so yeah, Forex factory as well. Okay, so also we'll take a look on all markets and hello guys. Sorry. Yeah, sorry about that. Okay, so before we'll talk about the US inflation, and before we'll take a look on I don't know, on gold, on the US dollar, on Japanese yen, US equities, cryptocurrencies. Please, I'm waiting also for messages. If you have questions, if you want me to take a look on a specific market, you can send a message in that YouTube chat, and also don't forget to tell me what you are looking at, your time frame, what you are looking at on that market, and yeah, I will try to answer to your questions. There is disclaimer as always, guys. It's important to understand the risks, okay? And I don't know, you can email support if you have questions, more questions, and if you are not a VIP member, you can access the link posted right below this video to join us. So in 7 minutes the US is to release its consumer price index. So the hi Kevin, hi, how are you? Yeah, me, AO, does he trade crypto too? Yeah, we'll take a look on cryptocurrencies as well, and yeah, I will share my opinion. And also don't forget that we have a different crypto VIP group, free group, if you want to, if you are a crypto trader or something. Good morning, Godspeed Freeman, hi, how are you? Any updates on Bitcoin, US dollar? Yeah, I will take a look on that market as well. So consumer price index is expected to report 0.7% growth in May versus only 0.3% growth in April. Core CPI 0.5% growth expected versus 0.6% growth in the previous Bitcoin and Ethereum. Will it fall? I will take a look. Hi Olympio, hope you're doing well. What's the best time to start to trade after the news released for you? So if you're a VIP member, you already know that Orlando has decided to manage its one moment. So Orlando decided earlier to manage his position in euro US dollar, something like this. Yeah, sell stop from here, yeah, around I don't know, 30 pips in profit or something on this retest, and sell-off, new sell-off here in the short term. But Orlando decided to manage his position here on euro versus the US dollar only because yeah, Jerome, nice euro USD trade before, yeah, only because the US data, the consumer price index, could really shake the markets, could really bring high volatility, sharp movements in both directions, and yeah, it was a nice decision maybe to close it in profit, to close this trade in profit, yeah, and to wait maybe for the markets to calm down, to cool down after the US data dump before maybe we'll look for potential new shorts here. I don't know, yeah. And also, if you are a VIP member, let's go. If you are a VIP member, you already know that personally I've managed my position in US dollar versus the Swiss franc only because yeah, as I've said, the US data could change the sentiment, and maybe the price could turn against me. So that's why personally I've decided to manage my position, to move my stop loss at break even. Okay, so my trade is safe. If the price will hit my stop loss at break even, it's fine. I will look for something else. Maybe potential retreat on that market will bring us new opportunities. Okay, so really nice trade here, and unfortunately In 4 minutes, we'll have also the Canadian data, employment change, unemployment rate, capacity utilization rate, CPI, core CPI, consumer sentiment from the United States later. So all these could bring high volatility and sharp movements, and that's why it's risky maybe to keep a trade with full risk or something. So that's why right now Orlando decided to manage his position, to close it in profit. And also personally I've decided to manage my position to move the stop loss at break even. So let's take a look, and let's start with the dollar index. So hi Olympic, hope you're doing, was the best time to start a trade after the news release for you. So yeah, maybe after the US data dump, maybe I'll wait. And I don't know if I'll identify something really good technically, like a high probability trade, maybe I will take it, but also I'll wait to see how the markets will react, yeah, in the first hour or 2 hours or something. But yeah, if I'll have something really good, yeah, I will open a trade. But you have to be careful, even if you are an experienced trader, you have to be careful, because anything could happen around high impact events, yeah, like inflation or interest rate decision or something, or I don't know, yeah. So it's really important. About the dollar index, guys, as you already know, and as I've said also today, I've expected this sideways movement here before a breakout, and I've told you guys in the last days that I'm looking for US dollar longs. Okay, so that's why right now I'm long on the US dollar, yeah. Only because after this aggressive breakout, I've expected a potential upside movement. Right now it has reached a resistance area, maybe resistance zone, 103.65, 103.82. So also because the dollar index reached this resistance zone, resistance area, personally I've decided to manage my position in US dollar versus the Swiss franc. And don't worry guys, I will come back with my trade management into the VIP group if I'll decide to do something yeah, on that trade. Yeah, right now it's still in profit, and in 2 minutes or less, in less than 2 minutes, we'll have the consumer price index from the United States, and maybe I will also I will update the groups as well. Yeah. So about the dollar index, yeah, it has rallied. Yeah, unfortunately, personally, I would have liked here to see test retest before an upside continuation, something like a test retest consolidation here, accumulation above the R1, above the medium line, above this former high. It would have helped us to catch a really great US dollar long. But yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Let's take a look also on gold right before the US data. Yeah, sell off. As I've said yesterday, guys, I said that even if the price will drop below this uptrend line, only a new lower low, maybe a valid breakdown below 1841.60 could really activate a potential sell-off. And here right now the price of gold plunged only because we have actually because the US dollar rallied in the short term. Okay, yeah, strong rally. Whoa, my trade in, let's take a look. Whoa, DXY, strong rally. Yeah, upside continuation. Let's take a look. US dollar, Swiss franc. So yeah, this is my position in US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Let's take a look. I will share US CPI. Yeah. Yeah, guys, higher inflation, guys. And also core CPI. Also I will copy paste from my news terminal. So my trade in US dollar versus the Swiss franc looks very good. one moment. Yeah, so I've shared the economic data. So right now, guys, my trade here in US dollar versus the Swiss franc. So yeah, my stop loss is at break even, and right now my trade, I don't know, is in profit. I don't know, 30 pips or something like this. Yeah, after the US reported higher inflation again, and please take a look here. So the consumer price index. The consumer price index 1.0% growth versus 0.7% growth expected. Core CPI 0.6 versus 0.5. So higher inflation, and only because higher inflation is not good. Higher inflation is not good for the US dollar, but higher inflation in the US will force the Federal Reserve to continue hiking rates, okay? And as you already know, the Federal Reserve is expected to hike rates, to increase the federal funds rate in the next monetary policy meetings. So and right now, after higher inflation reported by the US, yeah, the Federal Reserve needs to take action, and that's why the US dollar rallies right now. So my position here is safe in US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Yeah, because I've moved my stop loss at break even before the US data dump, and right now it runs in profit more than 30 pips. Yeah, in profit. And if the dollar index will continue to grow, then this position will actually, the price will continue to grow here. So yeah, 41 pips in profit. Yeah, really good trade right now. And if so I have here yeah, my take profit maybe is here, but right now, guys, if you are not a VIP member, and if you are not already long, it's too late to go long right now, because I don't know, anything could happen. The price could come back down, could I don't know, yeah, could invalidate a potential upside movement, and could drop. Yeah, let's take a look also. Canadian employment change better than expected, also unemployment rate better than expected. The unemployment rate dropped from 5.2 to 5.1%. Capacity utilization rate worse than expected. Okay, mixed data from the United States. Oh, sorry, from Canada. Sorry. USD CAD. Let's take a look. Yeah. US dollar, Canadian dollar. Yeah. Let's take a look. It has rallied, it has extended its growth. So right now we have a strong rally here on the dollar index, and that's why my position US dollar Swiss franc yeah, is in deep profit here. As I've said, around 40 pips in profit on my trade here for the VIP members. Yeah, and if I'll decide to do something here, I will share my trade management into the VIP group. Yeah, of course, if you want to follow my trade management. Yeah, Euro USD, let's take a look. Yeah, sell off, deeper drop. Yeah, but right now we are still long on the US dollar. Orlando decided to take profit here on euro versus the US dollar. Right now the market dropped it deeper, but we are still long on the US dollar. It's fine. Okay, and as I've said also here about the euro versus the US dollar, maybe a potential temporary rebound will help us to identify a new short opportunity, a new selling opportunity. Okay, yeah, one moment. So Ethereum and Bitcoin dipped. Okay, let's take a look. I will try to answer to your questions, and then I will try to identify maybe new, I don't know, US dollar longs. Yeah, unfortunately, the price of Bitcoin dropped below this uptrend line. It has failed to stabilize above the resistance levels here. And also, if you remember, I've talked about this downtrend line, about the immediate downtrend line, and I've said that as long as it stays below this downtrend line, the price of Bitcoin could come back down or something. But we still have, yeah, maybe I will delete all these from here. Yeah, it continues to move somehow sideways in the short term, and we still have a strong support zone, demand area 28,800, 28,561 or something. So I don't know, as long as it stays above these levels, former lows, loving VIP, yeah, move stop loss in green for, yeah, okay, one moment, yeah, temporary retreat on my or actually we'll see if this will be only a temporary retreat on US dollar versus the Swiss franc, but my trade is safe. That's why I've decided to manage my position, because the volatility is high. You can see that the volatility is high on the US dollar right now. Also US dollar versus the Swiss franc registered sharp movements in both directions, and even if the price will hit my stop loss at break even, yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine, guys. Let's wait to see if the price will hit my stop loss or not at break even. Yeah, because please take a look here on the dollar index again. It has retreated from today's high. Euro US dollar, yeah, but US dollar versus the Swiss franc, let's take a look. Yeah, it has retreated from today's high, but my trade is still in profit. Okay, anything could happen around these high impact events. Yeah, and as I've said, higher inflation, guys, it's bad. Okay, higher inflation is bad, but maybe only because the traders are expecting the Federal Reserve to take action, to continue hiking rates. Maybe the US dollar could grow, yeah, could appreciate in the short term versus its rivals or something. But yeah, in the short term, anything could happen. Yeah, right after the US data dump, right after the US inflation publication. So yeah, you have to be careful. Yeah. Okay, about Bitcoin, as I said, it continues to move sideways. The bias remains bearish as long as it stays below the downtrend line. But right now, yeah, it stands right above the immediate lows as downside obstacles or something. So I don't have anything. Godspeed Freeman. Yeah. Ethereum. Let's take a look. Also about Ethereum, it continues to move sideways here, and it has developed here a triangle, and please take a look here. Yeah, former lows as key levels, support levels, downside obstacles. But in my opinion, as long as it stays here around the support levels, downside obstacles 1728, 1700, staying right on these support levels, it could signal an imminent breakdown. Yeah, and the downside continuation, so you have to be careful. Yeah, but also because we are in this support zone above this demand zone, we can look for longs, but right now we don't have a bullish pattern or a bullish signal here. So that's why personal wait for the price to move sideways, to test, retest, to register only false breakdowns. A valid breakout could signal potential growth, or actually maybe a new higher high. Yeah, valid breakout, new higher high could signal a potential rebound, larger growth, a new swing higher. But as I've said, staying here could signal an imminent breakdown. Okay. Okay, guys, let's take a look on gold. Gold, it has sorry, don't forget, guys, to like this this video. Yeah, gold, please take a look. Sell off. It has dropped as much as 1825.14. It has rebounded, it has rallied, so that's why it's risky to trade around high impact events. Yeah, like inflation, yeah, or interest rate decision, monetary policy meetings or something. So please take a look here. So this is why right now we are not long or short on gold, because we expected high volatility, sharp movements in both directions. Okay, so yeah, please analyze US 30 and US Tech. Yeah, I will take a look on US equities. Yeah, maybe I'll wait here in gold. Maybe the price of gold will come back to, I don't know, to retest the broken levels before coming back down or something. But right now, strong reaction, strong rebound, bounce back, throw back, only because, as I've said, higher inflation is not good. Yeah. But as I've said, maybe in the short term, maybe the US dollar will depreciate. I don't know. It will depreciate because, as I've said, higher inflation is not good. But in the upcoming days or something, maybe the US dollar will appreciate again, only because the Federal Reserve is expected to hike rates, okay, to take action. The Federal Reserve is expected to take action. To do something about higher inflation, is expected to continue to hike rates. So yeah, a strong reaction here in gold. Yeah, as I've said, anything could happen. That's why I've decided to manage my position. That's why Orlando decided to close its position in profit, because yeah, right now it's right now, after the US data dump, it's better to stay away, yeah, and to wait for the markets to calm down, to cool down. Please take a look here in gold. Yeah, maybe it will only retest the resistance levels before dropping, or I don't know, maybe it will make a very breakout here and it will jump higher or something. So gold is used as an hedge to inflation, for inflation. So yeah, strong reaction right now. Jones, thoroughly impressed with your services and education in VIP. Cannot thank you enough. Yeah, thank you as well. You don't have to thank us. Thank you for being here, and yeah, don't forget to like this video, guys. Yeah. Yeah, we are here to share our trades, analysis, knowledge, yeah. And please take a look here also on the dollar index, resistance zone, resistance area. As I've said, anything could happen, but my position, let's take a look. US dollar Swiss franc is still good, is still in profit. Yeah, it's still good, it's still in profit. Anything could happen, guys. Please take a look here. Yeah, it has retreated. It was almost to hit my stop loss at break even, but it's still in profit, which is good. Yeah, I'm still holding my position, and I don't know, I will come back with my trade management into the VIP group. And you also have my thought process, the rationale into the VIP group. So yeah, let's take a look. US 30. So US 30 sell off. And we have sell off here on US equities. Unfortunately, personally, personally, I wanted to go long. Okay, I wanted to go long on US equities when the dollar index was below this medium line. Okay, below the medium line, and only because here the dollar index was it has I don't know, developed something like a potential flag or something. But the current breakout here rally on the dollar index invalidated the potential further growth on the US 30, US 100, US 500. So the US dollar appreciation forced the US equities to drop. So personally, I'm using this correlation. Okay, so we had this accumulation, consolidation, and maybe, I don't know, here something like I don't know, triangle or something like this. Yeah, we had something like a triangle, but unfortunately this triangle actually was invalidated. Actually, I'm talking about an upside continuation pattern. Okay, so upside continuation pattern here. So something like this, moving sideways, and the value breakout, a new higher high would have signaled the potential upside continuation, but this scenario was invalidated. We had an aggressive breakdown only because the dollar index rallied after the ECB, after the European Central Bank yesterday, and right now sell off. Right now I don't want to go short right now. Maybe I'll wait for a rebound, for something. I don't want to sell it here on this support level. So no, I don't have something right now. I will not go at market. I will not sell it at market or something, because it could rebound if the US dollar will depreciate, if the dollar index will retreat after its rally. So no, I don't have a trading opportunity right now in US 30. Yeah, and as I've said, triangle, but unfortunately it has failed to make a value breakout to confirm a potential upside continuation. US 100, let's take a look. US, one moment, let's invite more members. Let's invite more members. And if you have more questions, you can ask me anything and I will try to answer to your questions. Yeah. Okay. Also here about US 100 as well, after this breakout through the or above the downtrend line, sideways movement, accumulation, consolidation, but unfortunately it has failed to make a new higher high to confirm an upside continuation. So that's why no, right now I'll wait to see how the market will react. And as I've said, in my opinion, or personally, I'm using correlation. When the US dollar appreciates, I don't want to be long on the US equities, on US 30, on the Dow Jones, on the US 100, on the Nasdaq, on the US 500, on the S&P. So right now sell off, but no, I will not sell it here. Yeah, maybe after this sell off, I'll wait for temporary rebounds before going short again or something. Yeah, because maybe an upside continuation was invalidated here. Erin Jones, do you recommend any auto signal following software, or it is better to manual copy? It's up to you. No, I don't have something like a software, auto signal software or something. We don't have something like this. We are not financial advisors, or actually I'm not a financial advisor. Personally, I'm only sharing my trades into the VIP group. If you want to follow my trades, you can do it manually. If you want to follow my trade management, it's fine as well. You can do it manually for now. I don't know. Yeah. Thank you, guys. US 500 as well here. Unfortunately, it has failed to make a new higher high to confirm a potential upside continuation. Right now, strong sell-off only because the dollar index rallied. Yeah, dollar index rallied. And is strongly bullish right now, the dollar index. And in my opinion, also about the dollar index, taking out this resistance zone, closing and stabilizing above 103.82 could signal also potential breakout here, and this scenario could help us to identify maybe new US dollar longs. Yeah, so let's take a look on US dollar pairs. Yeah, strong sell-off here on euro versus the US dollar, and as you already know from my analysis, I've talked about this range. New lower low could activate a sell-off. Yeah, strong sell-off, but we are still long. We are still long on the US dollar with my trade here in US dollar versus the Swiss franc. My position, guys, is safe. I've moved my stop loss at break even, Eric Jones, thank you as well. So my position is safe, and if it continues to grow, and if it reaches my my take profit, I will make 248 pips profit. Yeah. Let's wait, guys. But also maybe I will manage it. I don't know. Maybe I will close 50%, or maybe I will close 80%. Yeah, and maybe I will keep only, I don't know. Yeah, but also maybe I will let it ride, and if it reaches my take profit, yeah, it's fine. 248 pips. If it reaches my stop loss, it's fine as well, because my trade is safe. My stop loss is at break even. Okay, really good. Yeah, British pound versus the US dollar sell-off. Unfortunately, yeah, after this false breakdown, rebound, no, I didn't had a great opportunity to go short. But as you already know, I've talked about, I don't know, a strong sell-off. I don't know, strong sell-off, 3% drop, 380 pips profit or something. I've talked about a strong downside movement, a 3% drop after escaping from this rising wedge. Sell-off, rebound, and I've said that maybe escaping from this range could signal a potential deeper drop here. But right now, I'm already long on the US dollar. I don't want to double down the risk. Anything could happen, as you already know. US dollar, Japanese yen. Let's take a look. Sideways movement, US dollar, Japanese yen. After reaching the upper medium line, retreat, but as long as it stays above the uptrend line, the bias is still bullish, and this sideways movement could represent an accumulation consolidation before extending its growth. But we'll need for confirmation. Actually, we'll need the confirmation. I'll wait maybe for a very breakout above 134.47 before extending its growth. And only a new lower low, guys. A new lower low breakdown and a new lower low could signal a potential sell-off. And I've talked about Japanese yen today, about the Japanese yen basket. I talked about the Japanese yen basket. I talked about this potential flag rebound, and I said that when this rebound will be over, okay, this could represent a bearish pattern, so which is natural after this sell-off. It could maybe the rebound will be over here around this key level. Okay, so when this rebound will be over, then I will look for Japanese yen shorts. So right now the Japanese yen appreciates versus its rivals only because we have this rebound bounce back here on the yen basket, but personally, only because this could be only a temporary rebound, temporary growth, I'll wait for this rebound to end, and I will look maybe for shorts. Yeah, when the yen basket will escape from this pattern, when we'll confirm this bearish pattern. Okay, so this is my opinion about the Japanese yen. Okay, still in profit, US dollar, Swiss franc. Let's talk about New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Yeah, personally, I was looking for shorts also here, but I don't know, after this rebound here, no. Yeah, here retest. Let's take a look. Maybe we can enter short here. We can go short. So 0.6423 breakdown, retest. And right now we have support here, 0.6379, guys. Yeah. But right now, I don't know, it's risky, guys, to place a trade here. I don't know, we have high volatility and sharp movements in both directions right now. So let's take a look. So my trade, so here's our real account, 8 cap real. So here is my trade in US dollar versus the Swiss franc. in my real account. Okay, so I will delete all my drawings. So yeah, right now my trade is safe. I have my stop loss at break even. I don't know, 33 pips in profit. Yeah, it's good. Maybe it will continue to grow if the dollar index will jump higher. Yeah, yeah, retreat. It has failed to hit my stop loss at break even, but as I've said earlier, it's USD South African Rand Mandla. Okay, so as I've said earlier, it's too late to go long right now, because yeah, my trade already is actually my trade is safe. Yeah, for the VIP members. If you follow this trade, I believe that you have the stop loss at break even. You are in profit, and right now it's risky to do anything to go long here, because anything could happen. The price could drop again from today's high. We have today's high as static resistance. Okay. Okay. So New Zealand dollar. No, I will not double down the risk on the US dollar right now. Maybe I'll wait. Maybe I will look for potential US dollar longs on Monday. Yeah. Right now, Orlando closed at his trading profit. I'm in profit. So yeah, I don't want to double the risk. Also here, I was looking for longs, but after this candle on the Australian dollar US dollar. Yeah, but I didn't like it, the price action in the short term. How can I access the risk calculator? Are you a VIP member? If you're a VIP member, you can find the risk size calculator into the VIP group. Okay. Yeah, sorry about yeah, I've said that I will yeah, I really need to record the video about that risk size calculator. I will show you how to use it. Yeah, it's really important for you to understand, or to know how to calculate your risk. Okay, because personally I'm risking only 1% of the trading account per trade. Yeah. So it's really important. Yeah. So sorry guys, I will have to record the video on how to use that position size calculator. Okay, sell off here, strong sell off, but yeah, it's too late to go short maybe right now here, because it could rebound or something. No, I will not go short here on the Australian dollar US dollar. Okay, okay, thanks. Yeah, US dollar South African Rand, let's take a look. Okay, yeah, personally I was looking for longs here as well, but I've sent that trade on US dollar versus the Swiss franc, which runs in profit. After this breakout retreat, I was looking for longs here. Sorry, US dollar South African Rand, but right now we have strong rally. Maybe I'll wait to see how it will react. Maybe here around this former high R1, maybe it will maybe something like this, consolidation accumulation also here above my upper medium line, above the R1, above this former high, maybe could bring us new long opportunities. Okay, but personally I was looking for longs here after this rally retreat. I was looking for longs here, but I've sent a trade in US dollar versus the Swiss franc, which is in profit. Okay, yeah, on this market. So I'll wait for either a retreat, consolidation, accumulation before I will look for potential longs here on US dollar versus the South African Rand, because it seems that we have this retreat sell-off ended, and right now we have a potential reversal or something. We have a key level also here. Yeah, yeah, this is my opinion here. Okay, yeah, US dollar Mexican peso, Singapore dollar. Yeah, I was looking for longs also here, also after this retreat and rally right now after this accumulation consolidation, new higher high here, breakout, retest, and right now new higher high. Yeah, and if the dollar index will continue to grow, maybe I don't know, US dollar versus the Singapore dollar could extend its growth also because please take a look here, sell off, it has reached these former highs here as support levels and then rally. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Okay. Maybe this will be only a quick session today because yeah, I have a cold or something, a flu, and yeah. Also because it's Friday. If you have questions, more questions, please, guys. I'm still here and I'm waiting for questions. U.S. oil, yeah, U.S. oil. Yeah, I've had something like a potential setup. But as I've said earlier today, in that video, I've sent and I've shared a video analysis. I've talked about US oil, and right now the price of US oil crashed only because the US dollar appreciates also versus the Canadian dollar. Let's take a look. US dollar, Canadian dollar. Yeah, it has extended its growth. US oil. Let's take a look. US oil, and I've talked about potential growth. So we had something like a channel, like an upside continuation pattern, and here aggressive breakout also above 121.83 above the medium line. And personally, I've said that maybe I will look for longs if I have maybe test retest, accumulation consolidation here, test retest of these broken levels before extending its growth. Unfortunately, it has resumed its growth here, and right now sell off. It has dropped it only because yeah, as I've said, we have early weekend get well soon. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, you are good. Yeah, thank you, Mandla. I'm not the best trader, but personally, even if I'm not trading every day, yeah, I'm looking for potential setups on all markets every day, and I want to share only high probability trades. Yeah, so this is me. Okay, I have to check something. So about the US oil, I don't know. Yeah, maybe it has invalidated here. Maybe it has invalidated the potential upside continuation, but also don't forget that this break, maybe I don't know. Maybe it will retest this line, and if it comes back here, a new higher high, maybe could still signal potential growth. But right now I'll wait for a fresh setup, for a fresh opportunity here in US oil. Okay. Personally, I will end this webinar here. My position is still in profit here in US dollar versus the Swiss franc. I will keep my position open. I will come back with my trade management, and yeah, maybe the dollar index will only retest the broken resistance zone area before resuming its growth. Yeah. Don't forget that later we'll have also the prelim consumer sentiment from the United States. This could bring some action as well. Yeah, sell off euro Japanese yen only because the dollar index because the Japanese yen basket yen index basket rebounded. Maybe I will look for potential longs here around 139.99 on euro versus the Japanese yen, British pound. Also, I'll wait here on the British pound versus the Japanese yen for this retreat, for this sell-off to end. Please take a look here. Yeah, resistance, key level. That's why it's important for you to use key levels. So this former high as resistance, as key level, as upside target, test retests, false breakouts, and right now retreat, sell off. Okay, so I'll wait for this retreat, for this sell-off to end before I will look for potential, I don't know, new longs. Okay, but potential new longs maybe next week, Japanese yen shorts. Okay, also here after this breakout, amazing rally, yeah, on Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Also here I'll wait for this correction, for this retreat to end. I don't know, maybe here it will fail to, maybe it will fail to stabilize below the 23.6 and then it will come back higher, or it could come back, it could drop deeper towards 38.2, towards 50%, yeah, towards this key level, former high, before it will turn to the upside. And all these on these retreats I will look for potential longs, because the retreats maybe will have something like this, like a flag, like a channel, and escaping from these potential channels, flags, could signal yeah, could signal potential new upside momentum, new leg higher, swing higher. Okay, on the Japanese yen. Yeah, sell off here. And here maybe we missed an opportunity to go short. Whoa, but no, yeah, maybe we had something here. So former low 95 psychological level as key level. Yeah, we missed an opportunity, but yeah, it's fine. It's Friday right now, and but right now I'm happy with my long on US dollar versus the Swiss franc. For now, yeah, maybe we missed something, maybe sell stop here, but right now it's too late. I don't know, maybe we'll have a new opportunity if the price retest here. Yeah, but right now, because it's Friday, I will not open a new trade. Even if, or actually, if I'll decide to place a trade here or something, I will share it only with the VIP members. Yeah, so you can access the link posted right below this video if you're not a VIP member, if you want to catch a new trade. Something like this. Let's take a look. Let's use Fibonacci retracement. I don't know, something like this. Something like this. Yeah, also 23.6 as 23.6 as support. Yeah, maybe we really missed an opportunity to go short here. Sell stop here. Yeah, maybe below these immediate lows. Yeah. But right now, as I've said, only because it's Friday, maybe I'll wait. Maybe I'll wait here. Yeah, because I don't know if I'll decide to, if I'll want to go short, my entry maybe will be here below this low. I will maybe hide my stop loss here, and I don't know, I will place my take profit here or here, or I don't know. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this session. Have a great weekend. I will come back with my trade management if I'll decide to do something, or actually if I'll decide to manage my position in US dollar versus the Swiss franc. But right now that trade is in profit, in deep profit, is really good. And no, I will not do anything more than 40 pips in profit. Yeah, thank you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.